Here we are, the last day, day number 30. I have a little bit of purple left here, and I'm just gonna see if I can pull it with some of this, kind of a golden ochre type color. And we'll see what we get with this. And then throughout some of this video, I'm gonna go ahead and speed things up and make some prints. And then we'll go ahead and create some postcards out of them. So the stencil I'm using here is an Imperfectly Perfect stencil from PM Artist Studio. And I will go ahead and tag them in the description box so that you can find them and check out their stencils and stamps. I don't know what it is, but there's something about these two colors that I really, really like together. I'm gonna have to get me some more of that purple, that violet-y color. Because again, this one comes out a little muddy, but I love it. It's a tad bit grungy. And some days I like grunge. What about you? Do you like grunge? Okay, here's 3 cards that I have made so far out of the prints that we just made. I do think we might need to round the corners. We cannot forget our number 31, our black permanent ink, and then, look, another PM Artist Studio foam stamp. It's the 4-inch butterfly, the big one. If you go and look, there are different sizes, and I think there's 2 different kinds. Let's test it out first. Ooh, I love it. I love this butterfly. So let's just get this butterfly and the 31 on our cards. I did want to make sure you knew, when you use these foam stamps, they hold a lot of ink and acrylic paint, so you can actually use them a few times, and that's all I'm showing you here, so that you can see just how it works. Now you can do that with other stamps as well, but they don't hold quite as much ink. And just about the time you thought I was done, nope. You see, today's the last day, so I want to make sure that I have enough to give away today, that maybe everybody that comments gets one. I don't know. There could be 500 people that comment. I doubt it, but I want to really try and make sure everybody who wanted one gets one. So I am doing more. Now this already has a butterfly on it. And so I think on here, I don't know, should we do a big black one? I think we should. Let's do it. All right, all these that I just did, they need backed. because they're flimsy. So I'll do that off camera. But on this one, you see the white? What I thought I'd do is maybe take a piece of this and glue it on. Ooh, I really like that one. So far for today, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. However, I will be keeping 1. So there are 6 available today. Yay! All right, well, thank you for being here, for being a part of this hashtag July postcard play. Thank you, Carrie Griffiths, aka Carrie the Crafter with a C, for coming up with this challenge. Even though I was not an official collaborator, I had so much fun. And thank you to PM Artist Studios for the fabulous butterfly stamp, the imperfectly perfect stencils. I will link Carrie in the description box. I will also link PM Artist Studio so you can go and check out all their fun foam stamps and their amazing stencils. Look at those. Even their imperfectly perfects are awesome. And a special shout out to Darcy at Darcy's Misadventures with Mixed Media for being the one that inspired me to jump in on this challenge. She didn't even know she was doing that. She just did her video. And I thought, I want to play. I want to try this. So now that it's over, what do? Well, we continue playing. And I think I'm going to keep making these for a while so that I have a little bit of a pile myself, and I can send them out as Happy Mail. I can send them out as little surprises in packages when people order off my Ko-fi, which, by the way, I'll put that in the description box as well, and the playlist to all of this. Now, how are we going to do this winning thing? Well, in August, probably right around the middle of August, it could be a little bit before that if I have time. What I'm going to do is I'm going to sit down at my computer, and for, say, day number 1, let's say there were 10 people that commented. Your names are going to go into a random drawer. It's like a wheel, spinny wheel that you put names in. You hit spin, and it draws someone. I'll write down day 1, the name of the person, and then what I probably will do is I will come back, and I will announce every single winner in one video. So I'm going to have to title that video something like hashtag Jelly Postcard Play Winners, something like that, so that you can come and see if you won. Now, if you won, you're going to need to make sure to send me an email, and usually I try to put my email in most of the description boxes, but you'll have to send me an email with your real name and address, mailing address, as well as your YouTube name so that I can, put 2 and 2 together. Because if your YouTube name is Pretty Posy, but your normal name is Jana Bacon Fryer, then I'm not going to know who to mail what to. So anyway, I shall see you again soon. Thank you, everybody. Bye.